Hey, good afternoon. Hope you had lunch, Anthony.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So let's continue with the topic SQL. Okay. So whenever I show you the slide, you have to study that time itself. Okay, Mohammed Irfan? The same topic I have taught you last year, but this year also you need to study it. Okay. So we have studied what are the different SQL categories. DDL, Sneha, DDL. DDL, then Sneha, unmute. Can't hear you. We can't.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, so DDL, then DML, then transaction control,
DCL, then one more.
transaction control language,
Data control language. DCL. Okay. So let's start with our first command. That is, take your notebook and write down. After installing MySQL, just double click the MySQL command client and you will get a black background and white foreground window. There you need to type this if you want to view the different databases. Anthony, where are you looking at?
No,
Hmm?
ma'am.
How many
No.
screens you have? Huh?
One, ma'am.
Here and there you are
Only one.
looking. Huh?
Uh,
Left
that
side,
is,
right side.
yeah. Why
So
that
write
is
down in your notebook and I will ask you to show the notes. Okay. So if you, this all things we have covered last year itself, but still as a revision. Mohammed Irfan, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Turn on your video. You keep the mobile somewhere and write. Show databases if you want to view the different databases. Show tables if you want to view the different tables created in a particular database. Then show tables. This topics won't be taken again. This is the second time I'm explaining it. Hope it is clear to you. I will ask you after that. Explanation you need to write by yourself. So show databases, explanation is to view the different databases available in MySQL. Show tables to view the different tables created in a particular database. Clear? Is that clear, Sneha? Now comes, if you want to create a database, you want to store the details of students, details of teachers about the school data. So you will create a database called school. So if you want to create a database, it's like creating a space in the hard disk for storing related things. So if you want to create a database, then the command is this. Create, there's a space, database, there's a space, then the database name. Here the database name is my school. Create, database, space, the database name, semicolon. Semicolon is very important. Each and every statements, queries in MySQL should end with a semicolon. Is that clear? Everyone? Who's not writing? Mohammed Irfan, show me your notes. Mm, okay, continue. I will ask you again. Then turn on your video. You're the only one who turned off the video. Turn it on. Then, if you want to remove the table from the database, or if you want to remove the database itself from the table, from MySQL, including the, if you delete a database, what happens? Whatever tables created in the database will also get deleted. The statement is drop space database name. If you want to drop a table, drop space table, then the table name. Here in the example, it is given ABC table. Any doubts? You can ask me if you have. Once you created this database, if you want to create a table inside that particular database, then you need to use another sentence statement, another SQL statement, that is use MySQL, use database name. Hope it is over. Then the next statement is create table. How to create a table? So if you want to create a table, I have asked you for your annual examination, I guess. Create space table, table name, open the bracket, especially it is for Sneha. Sneha, are you there, Sneha?
Yes, ma'am.
Create space table space. Till here it is compulsory statement. This is the table name. Okay. Then a compulsory bracket, a round bracket. Then the attribute name, the data type, comma, next attribute name, space, data type, comma, next attribute name, space, data type. Then finally, what we'll do is we'll close it and a semicolon. Okay. If you want to view the structure of a table, if you want to view the structure of the table, the command is describe table name, describe space table name. Or you can write another statement, short form of that, the ESC space student. This is also correct. Either you can write describe space student or you can write the ESC space student. Now the question to you, you have to create a database company. Create a database company. Create a table employee. The column name should be EMP ID, integer. EMP name, character with size 30, then salary. integer. Now itself you create this table. First you create database, then create table. After that I will ask you to show the answer. You can refer the slide and you can do it. Where were you, Ancho? Create a database company, then create a table employee with EMP ID, e-name and salary. Sal.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
can you say that column names? EMP, EMP name.
EMP ID, EMP name, Sal. EMP ID, EMP name, Sal. Anthony, is that over?
No, ma'am.
Anthony, you have to show the answer
No,
to
no.
us. If it is not Compulsory semicolon. Clear? Sneha?
Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
Ashish Bani, is that clear now? Column name first, then the data type. Second column name, data type. Third column name, data type. All right, finished? Now I'll give you another question. Do it. Your question paper itself. Okay, create this table. The table name is data frame. The table name is data frame. Table name is data frame. And you can see roll number. You start from here, this side. Let us table name. Roll number 1. So what should be the data type? We told roll number is 1. So data type should be
Integer.
int
In,
or integer you can write. What about name, Amalraj?
Ma'am, char.
Char. You can just write bracket 30 because you don't know the maximum size. Class, Anthony. What should be the class?
var,
Char or char you can write. Maximum is 9 and 10 Roman letters. So you can write char in bracket 2. Section, Meghna.
Varsha.
Vakar or Kyar in bracket 1. Section is only E, F, D, A. So CGPA, Sneha. CGPA. What should be the data type?
Ma'am, is there integer?
No. Integer means a whole number. Here it is decimal point. So we have, we know another data type that is called decimal. Decimal. So this CGPA is out of 10. Okay, so decimal, how many points we need in integer side? We can write 2. And decimal point, 2 itself, maximum. So if you write decimal in bracket 2, it supports only 2-digit integer part, 2-digit decimal part. Stream. Stream. Grishma. What should be the data type? Char. In bracket, 30 itself we can write. Now you create the table. Finished? Elvina, is it over?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you show me, Elvina? Okay, EMPID. There's no bracket for int. EMPID, int, space int. That's it.
Ma'am, that's the first question that everyone.
Okay. Show me the second question. So first question, you have to change it. Okay. yes. Create table data frame roll number int comma. Move to the right side. Name char 30 class. Please repair decimal 2 comma. Very good. That's correct. Any doubts? Anyone?
Ma'am,
Yes.
instead of this car, we can use also worker.
Yes. Instead of char, you can use varchar. That's also correct. Doesn't make much difference. We use char or varchar. Is that clear, everyone? Hana, is that clear? Sneha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, one more question to you. So no one should make any mistake in the create table question if it is asked for your board examination. Okay. Here the table name is batsman. Batsman. Is it over, Hana? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Show me the answer. Not clear. Okay, data frame, roll number, int. See the table name is batsman. It's not data frame, batsman. Okay, so you change it, okay? To batsman. You have written data frame, right?
Ma'am, I have written batsman.
Where? Show me. Where is it? Where you have written batsman? Where is batsman? That is data frame. You have written data frame. That is student, right? Clear. Batsman, I saw it, but where is the field names and all? Anna, once again. Okay. Understood. Understood. Once again, just show me. I was checking the other things. Okay, B and underscore and no int. Name, varchar, score one int. Score two. Okay. Some mistake is there. That is. Now, listen. When you use the score one as a single word. Use it as a single word. Should not leave any space in between. Anna, correct it. Score two, single
Yes,
word.
ma'am.
Score space two. You have written, I guess. Score space two. See, this rule is the same rule of identified naming is also applicable to MySQL also. So you should not leave space. Otherwise, it's correct. Hope it is clear to you. Is that clear? Everyone? But boys, I have a doubt. So do this also, everyone. Salesman. Table name a salesman. Column names SNO, S name, salary, bonus, date of join. Date of join is a single word. Now you do it. What should be the data type of date of join? The data type of data of join should be date. There's a data type called date. It's not char or varchar. The last column name should be date data type. SNO is char or varchar. S name is char or varchar. Salary is int. Bonus is decimal, or you can write as float. Date of join is date. Date has no parameters inside. Ancho, is it over? Ancho?
Ma'am, decimal.
Decimal in bracket, you can write 2 comma 2. The maximum is 2 digits. According to this example, it's only 2 digits maximum. So finished? Date of join is a single word. So don't write with space. Once it is over, Anjo, you can show us the answer. Finished, Anjo. Writing it again neatly. Yes. We did not see it. Date. Very good. Very good. That's correct. So hope it is clear to everyone. So you should not make any mistake in this question again. So there won't be any other practice on this create table command. So we'll see the coming topics the next class. Okay. Thank you. See you.